Let's face it, the online world is loud. It's a cacophony of voices, each one vying for attention, each one trying to be heard above the rest. Millions of videos are uploaded to TikTok and YouTube every single day. The sheer volume of content is staggering, and it can feel overwhelming. How can you possibly stand out in that sea of content? It seems like an impossible task, but it's not. There is a way to rise above the noise. The answer is simple. Find your niche. This is your unique space where you can shine. Think of a niche as your own little corner of the internet. It's a place where you can build a community of like-minded individuals. It's a specific topic or interest that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. When you focus on what you love, it shows in your content. When you focus on a niche, you're no longer competing with the entire world. Instead, you're speaking directly to a targeted audience. You're targeting a specific audience who is actively looking for what you have to offer. Remember, people crave connection. They want to feel understood and valued. They want to follow creators who understand their interests and speak their language. This creates a bond, a sense of community. When you create content within a niche, you're instantly more relatable and engaging to that specific audience. Your content resonates with them on a deeper level. Take it from me, I built my entire career around a niche: personal finance and real estate. By focusing on these areas, I was able to carve out a space for myself. By focusing on these topics, I was able to attract a loyal audience who trusts my advice and keeps coming back for more. This loyalty is invaluable and can be the foundation of a successful content creation career. So find your niche, dive deep into it, and let your passion shine through. Your audience is out there, waiting to connect with you. Stand out in the content sea by being authentically you, and watch as your community grows and thrives. Now, you might be thinking, but Graham, aren't all the good niches already taken? It's a common concern, but let me assure you, the digital landscape is vast and ever-changing. Absolutely not. The beauty of the internet is that it's constantly evolving. Every day, new trends and interests emerge, creating fresh opportunities for niche content that you can capitalize on. New trends emerge every day, creating fresh opportunities for niche content. It's like a gold mine waiting to be discovered, and all you need is the right tools and mindset to uncover it. The key is to uncover hidden gems, secret niches that haven't been completely saturated yet. These niches are often overlooked, but have a dedicated audience waiting for content that speaks directly to them. These are often subcategories within larger niches, or unique combinations of interests that haven't been fully explored. Think of it as finding a unique angle or twist on a popular topic. For example, instead of just creating general fitness content, you could focus on yoga for gamers, a niche that combines the growing interest in gaming with the need for physical wellness. Healthy meal prep for college students, which addresses the specific challenges and needs of young adults living in dorms or small apartments. Or even mindful movement for busy moms, a niche that caters to mothers looking for quick and effective ways to stay fit while managing their busy schedules. See how specific we're getting? The more specific your niche, the less competition you'll have, and the more passionate your audience will be. This specificity helps you stand out in a crowded market and build a loyal following. It's about finding that sweet spot where your interests intersect with an underserved audience. When you do, you'll not only enjoy creating content, but also connect deeply with your viewers, leading to greater engagement and success. Why are niches so powerful for engagement and growth? Think about it. Niches allow you to focus your content on a specific audience, making your message more targeted and relevant. When you create content for a specific niche, you're attracting viewers who are genuinely interested in what you have to say. This means your audience is more likely to resonate with your content as it speaks directly to their interests and needs. These viewers are more likely to watch your videos all the way through, leave comments, and engage with your content on a deeper level. They feel a connection with you because you understand their specific interests. They are also more inclined to share your content with their friends who have similar interests, expanding your reach organically. This kind of engagement helps you build a loyal following. These followers are not just numbers. They are people who are genuinely invested in your content and your journey. This increased engagement sends positive signals to the TikTok and YouTube algorithms, pushing your content higher in search results and recommendations. It's a snowball effect that can significantly boost your visibility. The more engaged your niche audience is, the more visibility your content gets, leading to even more engagement and growth. This creates a cycle of continuous improvement and expansion. As your content gains more visibility, you attract even more viewers who are interested in your niche, further fueling your growth. It's a virtuous cycle that can propel your channels to new heights. Each milestone you achieve becomes a stepping stone for the next. Remember, it's not about chasing millions of views from random people. It's about creating meaningful connections with a dedicated audience. It's about building a community of 1,000 true fans who are genuinely invested in your journey. These fans will support you, share your content, and help you grow. That's where the real magic happens. When you focus on a niche, you create a space where your audience feels understood and valued, leading to lasting success. Section 4, Blueprint to Success, your step-by-step guide. Ready to uncover your own secret niche? Here's a step-by-step blueprint. 1. Brainstorm your passions. What are you genuinely interested in? What do you love to talk about? What are you knowledgeable about? 2. Identify problems and needs. Within your passions, what problems do people face? What information are they searching for? 3. Research and validate. Use keyword research tools and explore TikTok and YouTube to see what content is already out there. Look for gaps in underserved audiences. 4. Get specific. Don't be afraid to niche down further. The more specific your focus, the less competition you'll have. 5. Test and iterate. Create a variety of content within your niche and see what resonates most with your audience. Adjust your approach based on their feedback. Section 5, Real-World Wins. Case studies of niche domination. Let's look at some real-world examples of creators who've found success by tapping into unique niches at Vegan Recipes for Gamers. This TikTok creator combines their love for veganism and gaming, offering quick and easy plant-based recipes perfect for busy gamers. At Budget Travel Hacks for Students, this YouTube channel provides students with practical tips and tricks for traveling the world on a shoestring budget. At Die Home Decor for Renters, this creator shows renters how to personalize their space and create a stylish home without breaking the bank or damaging the property. These are just a few examples of how creators are carving out their own space in the digital world by catering to specific audiences. Section 6, Short-Form Secrets content that pops on TikTok and Shorts. Creating engaging content for TikTok and YouTube Shorts requires a unique approach. Grab attention instantly. With short attention spans, you need to hook viewers in the first few seconds. Use eye-catching visuals, intriguing questions, or surprising statements. Keep it short and sweet. Get to the point quickly and deliver value in a concise and easily digestible way. Embrace trends and sounds. Leverage trending sounds, challenges, and hashtags to increase your video's visibility. Encourage interaction. Ask questions, run polls, and encourage viewers to leave comments. The more engagement, the better. Post consistently. Consistency is key on these platforms. Aim to post at least once a day to keep your audience engaged. Section 7. Your time is now. Unleash the power of the niche. The beauty of the internet is that it's never too late to start. No matter your age, background, or experience level, you have the power to build a successful online presence by tapping into the power of niches. Don't be afraid to experiment, be yourself, and let your passions shine through. The more authentic and passionate you are, the more your audience will connect with you. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring, start creating, and watch as you unlock a world of opportunities in the exciting world of TikTok and YouTube Shorts.